For me, my biggest fear is begging anyone for money, to ever get down to that point when I need to ask people for money. I always want to be self-sufficient. So I just hope my investments are sound enough to fetch me what I need in my old age. So I feel our approach towards money is more sensible than theirs was, because all they believed was, fixed deposit mein dal do, paisa, interest aa jayega, usse khana hai. But I just feel that we invest in many other different things. We put money to better use than they did. Like we invest, we save, we even donate, we spend, which they didn't. They always felt you need to save for your children, which we don't. I mean, we do believe in saving for our children, but then again, we believe in having a good time spending, not splurging, but not scringing and scrounging either. So we've got our few investments, like we've invested in SIPs and mutual funds, we've got our FDs, we've got a little bit of property that we've invested in. But also we make sure that we don't deprive ourselves or our daughter of anything. So we just basically maintain a balance. So I just feel that we're not looking at big returns, we're looking at sure returns. Also, we may be Sindhis, but we're not very business minded. So my husband always feels it's safer to go with FDs, and the returns are certain. No, I just feel that nothing is certain in life, right? You can never take anything for granted. So I think everyone needs to secure themselves with a good medical insurance. God forbid if you do fall ill, you know what the expenses are like. Investing money, of course, investing in your medical insurance, which is, I think, very important. Investing in FDs, which I feel is again is a good investment. SIPs, stocks, I would say yes, for some, maybe not for many. But other than that, property would be a good investment to make sure that you at least have and educational insurance. So you have money for your later years, for your illness, for your children, just in case, but for your children, and yeah, and you have a steady income coming if you have FTs. I think it's what you make it out to be. For us, it's simple because we don't pay too much attention to it, we don't give it that much importance, enough importance to keep us comfortable and to make sure that it gives us good returns at a later stage, be it for our medical or my daughter's education. So it all depends upon how you look at it, and I don't think, for me, it's not so complicated.